Ever wondered how to leverage your Microsoft Word documents into an interactive chatbot, but don't know where or how to start? Stay tuned as we dive into a no-code, cost-efficient solution that leverages the power of Google Cloud's AI systems in a step-by-step tutorial that might just revolutionize how you utilize your documents. From the Google Cloud Console, we can access the relevant service by hopping over to the Vertex AI Search and Conversation page. This is where our AI app springs to life along with its companion data stores. When I say app, I'm talking about custom AI services like search systems, chatbots, and recommendation systems that rest atop our data. The data stores, on the other hand, are knowledge bases with both structured and unstructured data. Today's star, Microsoft Word documents. We're about to create a new app, but before we do that, how about we sketch out the big picture to aid understanding? It's simple, truly. We're just aiming to feed our Microsoft Word documents into a Google Cloud storage bucket. From there, our Vertex AI Conversation data store indexes that data. Finally, the Vertex AI Conversation Chatbot app sits on top of that data store. This is a fully no-code journey, and we're not even going to need to lean on any external services beyond Google Cloud. Plus, here's another great part. Since the primary cost component is usually gigabytes of data in our data store, as long as we're not hoarding heaps of documents, the whole system is very low cost. So why wait? Let's go ahead now and select the chat option for our stunning new app. Our first step is to fire up the Dialogflow API, followed by feeding in all the necessary details for what's soon to be our clever chatbot. Now, to showcase this concept, we're using Microsoft Word memos. Imagine, if you will, a question and answer system built on these memos. Since we don't have a data store yet, we're about to whip one up with a focus on cloud storage where we'll house our unstructured documents. We can also have document formats like PDF, HTML, or TXT. Next, we're crafting a storage bucket for our memos and going with the default settings. We'll also be preparing our cloud storage data in a new tab. For this demo, we're letting loose about 45 Microsoft Word documents to kickstart our chatbot. Don't worry, we've got you covered. These Word docs in the diagram file are in the video description in case you want to follow along. It's almost ready. We name our new data store, spin it up, and then use that data store in our new app. Once your app starts to materialize, we can hop into the data store to keep tabs on the indexing progress. Give it a moment. This important process will take at least a few minutes. Eventually, an import completed notice graces our screen, revealing the number of imported documents. The only thing left? Wander over to the preview for this Memos chatbot and launch the test agent to truly see our agent in action. Let's try asking about a recent memo related to office access and perhaps badges, and then let it surprise you with a summary. Even more exciting, seeing where this information was unearthed from, we have a link to where the information came from in our cloud storage bucket. And here's the best part. Our chatbot isn't just answering questions, it's holding meaningful conversations with us. It's context aware and keeps the chat flowing based on our responses. Lastly, the Dialogflow CX service arms you with incredibly interesting tools for managing entities, conversation flows, and even publishing your chatbot or integrating it with your other software systems. But we'll save that for our next thrilling adventure. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, please enjoy it responsibly.